Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one again is from Grand Patriot Fireworks, and this one here is 24-shot 500-gram cake called Home Wrecker. Everybody needs a home wrecker. Anyways, it is an angled cake, as you guys can see there. And let's go ahead and read the description here. It says 24 shots of multicolored, multi-angled breaks, including a climatic brocade crown finale of white and blue pearls. So, I mean, it looks pretty nice. I've heard good things about this. I haven't actually done this one myself, so let's go out there, light it off, and of course, you guys can see it here, it's nice and angled. Let's go out there, light it off, and at the end of the video, you guys let me know what you thought, alright? Let's check this one out. Nice, really nice. Let me know what you guys think about that one. Goonies Out.